Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bharti Mithila Official. I am from India and guys I am telling about you Navdurga and Navratri. Why is Navratri celebrated in India and what mean by the no रूप्स of माँ Durga and what is Navdurga है ना. So let's go. During Navratri, the mother goddess is said to appear in 9 forms and each of one is worshipped for a day. These 9 forms signifies various traits that the goddess influences. The first among these 9 forms is goddess Salputri. Navratri Tithi Pratipada Day 1. She is the first one among the 9 rupas of goddess Durga. Sel in Sanskrit means mountain and Putri means daughter. Thus, Salputri means daughter of mountain. She is known as because she has incarnated from Himalaya, the emperor of mountains. Mountain a block. The mother has a lens in her right hand and the lotus flower in the left. Goddess Parvati, the daughter of the king of the mountain Himalaya, is called as Salputri. In her previous birth, she took birth in the house of Daksh, the Prajapati. As his daughter, she was also known as Sati. Once Prajapati Daksh organized a very big sacrificial ceremony in which he invited all gods to receive their sacrificial share. Lord Shiva was the only exception. Married to Lord Shiva, after married to Lord Shiva, when Sati came to know about the festival arranged by her father, she expressed her desire to attend the yagna performed by her father to Lord Shiva and solicited his permissions. Lord Shiva replied that as Daksh has not invited us, hence it shall not be proper for you to go there. Sati was not convinced with the piece of advice given by Lord. The Lord saw that Sati was very keen to go there. So he gave permission. After that, on reaching her father's place, Sati found no affection in any eyes except her mother. She was greatly pained with the insulting attitude of her own relatives. The entire atmosphere was surcharged with the sense of disrespect towards Lord Shiva. Dax passed certain humiliating remarks intended for Lord Shiva. She could not bear the insult of her spouse. Instantly, she jumped into the yagna fire and sacrificed herself. The news of her demise reached Lord Shiva and he decided to take a good lesson to Dax. The entire sacrificial canopy, along with all paraphernalia, was completely destroyed by his lieutenants. In her next birth, Sati incarnated her as a Parvati, the daughter of Himalaya, and among Nav Durga, she has been referred to as a Salputri, who was again known as Himavati. The first and the most prominent among Navdurga, Salputri is of immense importance and her glories are endless. On the first day of Navratra, it is she who is worshipped. The seeker should keep his or her mind concentrated on Muladhara. She is the starting point of their spiritual discipline. Mantra to be chanted on this day: Om Shalputrai Namaha. Offering made to the goddess on this day include banana and ghee made of cow milk. Shri Durga Saptati part to be recited. Adhyay 1. Color for the day is yellow. Now turned to goddess Brahmachari. Navratri Tithi Dvitiya means day 2. The second Durga Shakti Roop is of goddess Brahmacharini. Brahmacharini originated from the word Brahm, that is, who observes penance, tapa, and good conduct. Thus, she is the one who practices penance. It is said Veda, Tattva, and Tapa are synonyms for Brahma. The ideal of this goddess is very gorgeous. On hand holds a kamandal or water pot, and the other holds a rosary. She personifies love and loyalty. Brahmachari is the storehouse of knowledge and wisdom. Rudraksh beads are her most adored ornaments. The form of Brahmacharini is tremendously effulgent and extremely majestic. In her previous birth, when she incarnated as the daughter of Himalaya, then influenced by the instructions of Nard, she practiced terrible penances in order to obtain Lord Shiva as her divine consort. Due to her unearthly penances, she was termed as Brahmacharini. After the rigorous penance for several thousand years, her body became extremely lean and thin. She was reduced to skeleton. Watching her pitiable condition, Mother Meena was very much pained. In order to divert her attention from rigorous penance, she exclaimed, "Oh, meaning, oh, no, no, not." Since the goddess Brahmachari was named Uma, this happened in her previous incarnation itself. Brahmachari Durga is capable of providing unending benefits. By worshipping her, one gets success and victory. On the second day, the mind of the striver moving and upward is established in Swadhisthana Chakra. The person who makes his mind stay in the chakra gets the devotion and blessings of the goddess. Month to be chanted on this day. Om Brahmacharine Namah offering made to goddess on this day includes traditional unsalted butter and sugar. Sri Durga Saptati part to be recited. Adhyay 2 and 3. Color for the day is green. Goddess now turn to goddess Chandraghanta. Navratri Tithi Tritiya means day 3. Third among the Shakti Roop is goddess Chandraghanta. Chandraghanta originated from the word Chandra, moon, and Khanda means spell. She has crescent moon on her forehead, and her roaring voice is like a tumultuous sound of a bell that makes the atrocious demons tremble. This goddess gives extreme peace and provides ultimate good. She is full of charm and bright. She is golden in color. Possesses 10 hands and 3 eyes. 8 of her hands displays weapons while the remaining 2 gestures bestowing boon and stopping harm. This Durga Shakti rides a tiger. By the blessings of goddess Chandraghanta, all the sins of the worshippers are burned and obstacles are removed. Her worship is intensely fruitful, a very good quality that dwells in those who worship her is bravery and fearlessness, accompanied by serenity and humility. Whenever the devotees of Mother Chandraghanta go, they disperse peace and blessings among the people. By worshipping her, one can get rid of all worldly sorrows and attain the supreme goal spontaneously. During Navratra, the third day is of great importance. On this day, the mind of worshippers enters Manipura Chakra. At this stage, by the grace of Mother Chandraghanta, the seekers become capable of seeing unearthly and divine things. They smell the divine fragrance and become capable of hearing many types of divine sounds. However, on this day and in this stage of discipline, the striver is required to be most careful. Mantra to be chanted on this day, Om Chandra Ghantai Namah. Offering to be made on this day must include kheer and milk. Sri Durga Sapsati part to be recited on the eye 4. Color for the day is grey. Goddess Kushmanda. Now turn to the goddess Kushmanda. Navratri Tithi Chaturthi means day 4. The fourth among Shakti Rupas is goddess. Kusmanda means Ku plus Usma plus And. Has been the originated from the word Ku means a little, Uswam is warmth, heat or energy, and An means the cosmic egg or universe. She resides in the universe in the inner portion of Surya Lok, and she emanates a solar aura. It is believed then when there was only darkness prevalent all around. Goodness, Kusumanda created the universe with her sankalp as a mental projection. Religious scriptures state that primordial Shakti created this universe as an and. Example is egg when she just emitted a splendid lot. The abode of Kushmanda is Bhima Parvat. Bhima Parvat, also called as Bhujadhari. Goddess Kushmanda has 8 arms. In her 7 hands, she holds Kamandal, bow, arrow, lotus, a jar of nectar, discus and mace, respectively. In her 8 hands, there is rosary capable of giving 8 siddhis and 9 nidhis. She rides on a lion. Kusmanda in Sanskrit stands for pumpkin, which she like most as a sacrificial offer. I will give knowledge about siddhis and 9 nidhis in next video. So subscribe my channel, and I'm going to next. I'm telling about this. Okay. On the 4th day of Navratra, the mind of worshippers enters and stay in Anahata Chakra. As a result of her worship, the devotees get rid of all ailments and sorrows and are blessed with a long lifespan, fame, strength, and health. Mantra to be recited on this day, Om Kushmandai Namah. Offering to be made on this day must include traditional sugar and malpua. Shri Durga Sapsadi part to be recited. Adhyay 5, 6, 7 and 8. Color of the day is orange. Goddess Skandamata. Nice. Now turn to Goddess Skandamata Navratri Tithi Panchami day 5. The fifth among the Shakti Rupas is Goddess Skandamata. Skandamata is also called Parvati, Maheshwari and Gauri. Being the mother of Skand, she is Skandamata. Riding a lion, she holds her son Skand in her lap. She displays 3 eyes and 4 hands. 2 hands hold lotus while the other 2 hands displays defending and granting mudras respectively. It is said that by pleasing Skandamata, even a fool becomes a master of knowledge. As per fool means flower. As per the legend, once upon a time, demon Tarakasur did extreme penance to please Brahma. As a boon, Tarakasur asked for death by the hands of Lord Shiva's sons. The boon was granted as Lord Shiva was reluctant to get married. Tarkasur thought that he would never die. Tarkasur considered himself invincible and started tormenting the world. Later on, appeased by the persistent request from Devtas, Lord Shiva got married to Parvati. Kartikeya or Skand Kumar was born to Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, and he later killed Tarkasur. Skand or Kartikeya, who was chosen by gods as Senapati in a war against demons, is also called Dev Senapati. On this day of Navratra, the seeker's mind reaches Visuddha Chakra and stays there. At this stage, the mind of seeker is extremely calm. By worshipping the goddess in the form of Skandmata, the devotee gets all his desires fulfilled. It opens the path of salvation to him. Being the presiding deity of sun god, she bestows an uncommon luster and radiance on her devotees. Mantra to be recited on this day: Om Skandmataraye Namaha. Offering to be on this day includes Jnana and Cosmic Sri Durga Saptati Path to be recited. Adhyay 9 and 10. Kal Adhyay 9 and 10 is the slok of Durga Saptati. Okay. Color of the day is white. Now turn to goddess Katyani. Navratri Tithi Sashti means day 6. The sixth among the Shakti Rupas is goddess Katyayani. As per the legends, once upon a time there was a sage named Kata. His son was Katya. In his lineage, Katyani became a sage of worldwide repute. He practiced penance for several years to propitiate Mother Goddess. At the time of boon, he requested Mother Goddess to take birth as his daughter. The goddess was pleased to accede to his request. After some time, when high handedness of Mahishasur, the demon crossed crossed every limit, the trinity of gods Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva got infuriated and they created a goddess by apportioning some part of their splendor. In order to destroy the demon, the sage Katyana had the first privilege to worship her, so she was called Katyani. She accepted the worship of Katyana for their 3 days and then killed the demon Mahishasur. She is an established presiding deity of Braj area. Her form is extremely divine and radiant. Her complexion is golden and bright and beaming. She has 4 arms. Her upper right hand is in pose of lying all fears, and the lower one is in a pose of grunting bone. In her upper left hand, she holds a sword and a lotus flower adorns her lower hand, and her vehicle is lying. On the 6th day of Navrata, the mind of the worshipper stays in the Ajna Chakra. If the worshipper completely surrenders himself to the goddess, he or she is bestowed boons by Mother Katyani. All the 4 objects, dharma, earth, kam, and moksha, are in easy reach of a sadhak who worships Mother Katyani with devotion and faith. Mantra to be recited on this day: Om Katyane Namaha. Sri Durga Saptati Path to be recited Adhyay 11. Color of the day is red. Now turn to the goddess Kalratri. Navratri Tithi Saptami. Saptami means D7. The 7th among the Shakti Rupas is goddess Kalratri, the destroyers of darkness and Ignorance. Kalaratri is the enemy of darkness. Goddess Kalaratri is extremely frightening to look at, but she is always auspicious in effect. This is why she is otherwise known as a Subhankari, doing well. She was dark skin color with disheveled hair. A necklace flashing like lightning adorns her neck. She has the three eyes, which are circular in form like cosmic egg, which always ejected rays. Terrible flames appear when she inhales or exhales our air through her nostrils. Her vehicle is a donkey. Her raised right hand always seems to grant wounds to all the sundry. Her right lower hand is in the pose of align fear. Her left upper hand holds a thorn-like weapon made of iron, and in the lower hand is a dagger. Her worshipper does not fear fire, water, wild beings, enemy, or night. Goddess Datri destroyed the Danav, Daitya, Rakshas, Bhoot, Pret, and all the other evil spirits. On the seventh day of the Navratri, the mind of the worshippers reaches Saharsa Chakra. For such a striver, the door of all cities, one of the destroyed mantra. So you will start opening. On this day, all the sins and obstacles in the way of worshippers are completely destroyed. Mantra to be chanted. Om Ka Ratrai Namah. Offering to be must. It must include milk and molasses. Sri Durga Saptati part to be recited. Adhyaya 12 and 13. Color of the day is royal blue or dark black. God. Now turn to Goddess Mahagauri. Navratri Tithi Ashtami means day 8. The 8 among the Shakti Rupas is Goddess Mahagauri. Her complexion is like that of a conch, moon, or jasmine. She always remains 8 years old with 4 arms and fairest complexion of all the Durga Shaktis. Mahagauri radiates peace and compassion. Her upper right hand is in the pose of a lying fear, and the lower right hand holds a trident. The upper left hand holds a damru, and the lower one is in the pose of granting bones. Dressed in a white or green sari, she holds a drum and a trident and is often depicted riding a bull. As per legends, goddess Parvati practiced severest possible penance with the desire to have Lord Shiva as her divine concern. Due to the severe penance, her body became black. Lord Shiva was so pleased by her penance that he washed her body with the holy water of Ganga. As a result, her complexion transformed. Since then, she is known as Mahagauri. Those who worshipped her was away all their sins. The devotee of Mahagauri gets purified in all aspects. She channels the thought waves of the devotee towards the path of the virtue and destroy asset. Mantra to be recited. Om Mahagauri Namah. Offering to be must include banana and coconut. Sri Durga Saptati Patha to be recited 1 to 13 Adhyay. Color of the day is pink. Goddess Siddhidatri. Now turn to last Devi, Goddess Siddhidatri. This is the ninth Devi. In the day of 9, the ninth among the Shakti Rupas is Goddess Siddhidatri. According to the Markandeya Purans, there are 8 Siddhis Anima, Mahima, Garima, Lagima, Prapti, Prakamya, Ishita, Vishishta. It is said in Devi Puran that the supreme god Shiva got all these siddhis by worshipping Mahashakti. With her gratitude, half body of Shiva merged with the goddess and he got his name Ardhanashvar. Ardhanashvar Swarup is Shiva plus Shakti. Goddess Siddhidatri is formed forearmed. I am telling you meaning of Shiva plus Shakti means of feminine energy plus masculine energy, making a Ardhanashvar Swarup. Okay, Goddess Siddhidatri is a form now. Her vehicle is lion. She sits on a lotus flower and holds a chakra in her lower right hand and a mace in the upper. In the lower left hand, there is a conch, and in her upper left hand, a lotus flower. On the ninth day of Navratra, if a seeker worships the goddess with complete faith, he acquires all siddhis. There remains nothing unattainable in the universe. Goddess Siddhidatri is the grantor of 26 different wishes to her devotees. After the completion of Siddhidatri worship, the devotees spiritually moves in the divine abode of the Devi and is always blessed by her forever. Mantra to be recited on this day: Om Siddhidatraye Namaha. Offering to be made on this day included butter and dhan kalla khoi. Shri Durga Sapsati part to be recited 1 to 13 Ayodhya. Color for the day is pink. This is the 9 energies. This is the 9 Devi. This is the 9 feminine energies. If you worship of 9 Devis, you will get all blessings and your energies become upper and big. Thanks for watching video. Let's Tata, bye bye. Let's subscribe. Do subscribe, like